So now we are inside the Word dashboard of the WordPress. Now the very first let's install the theme. Okay, so we are already using the very minimum resources and the plugins. The theme is the most important part, so I'm going to use the Ocean WP. Click on install. Alright, so click on activate. So our theme is installed now. Later let's install the plugins one by one. So the very first plugin is that Elementor, which we are going to use throughout the tutorial and for design the many elements, just like post, thumbnails, sliders. Alright, click on install. You can use the design plugins like essential add-ons, royal add-ons, ultimate add-ons. Okay, so you can make the website very alright, so our plugin is installed. Now let's install the next plugin, which is the Pro Element, which will activate all the features or enable all the features of the Elementor plugin. Alright, so let's install it. So I will activate this plugin later. Let's install another plugin, which is maybe form editor. Okay, with the help we will create the different forms. Alright, so we have installed the plugins. Let's activate this Pro Element, and you will see we have very few elements, very few plugins like Elementor, Formatter, and these Pro Elements. Alright, you can add the caching plugins for the performance of website if you want to. Okay, now let's create the pages. So the very first is to set up and customize our theme. So first of all, we will install at least one page, which is home page. You can change its template to Elementor full width. Alright, so don't edit with Elementor right now. First of all, let's assign this page as our home page. So go to appearance, go to customize, and here we will set our colors, and we'll also hide the top bar, this page title. Okay, and we will change our home page. Basically we will change the home page. Okay, currently it sets by default from the WordPress. First of all, go to pages, and here page title, just uncheck this page title. Okay, again we have to remove this top bar. For that we need to enter inside header, general, and just here you will see bottom border panel also you can remove, and here we need, okay, so top bar is separately. Actually here is the top bar. Okay, and you can disable this top bar from here. Now it's clean. Now let's add this static page instead of your latest post. The static page will be our home page. Now click on publish. Alright, so our home page is ready. Now we need to set up our logo. So first of all, let's change the background color of this website. So our website is in dark mode. So here under the colors, okay, not the colors, here colors, side background to black. Okay, no matter what we will change here colors, we will already we will already change the color inside the elementor itself. Okay, so there is no need to change the universal color from here. Okay, but changing the colors from this settings, it will reflect for all the pages. Okay, if you go in the with the elementor to changes, it will only change this specific page and other pages will be remain different. Alright, so this is a different actually by changing the colors from this global settings and from the element. Now this is the header, but we are not going to keep this default header. We will create our own header. So first of all, let's publish these changes. Okay, and close this. Now let's take the preview of our website. Alright, so we are now enter into the designing mode. Alright, so this home page will be this header will be replaced by our customized one, which we will use the elementor to design it. Okay, now alright, so in the next part we will cover both the header and as well as the footer. Okay, so first of all, let's change the logo. Okay, go to customize. From there, okay, site style and settings, site layout. Okay, go back, it's not here, under the header. Okay, go to logo and select your logo, skip cropping. So here it will not show because the logo is in white and the background of this header is also white. As we don't have any relation of this header, so that's why I'm not going to change here right now. For the background color of the header, we will directly create our header. Okay, from the elementor. So this was the basic setup of our WordPress and how we can modify the things add or remove the elements from the home page. Okay, so we just did that. Now in the next part we will start creating the header, okay, which will be responsive, and as well as we will create our footer section. Okay,